If you have hidden apps on a Samsung Galaxy A27, if they are not accessible through the home screen or the app drawer or apps screens, in order to find them, what you can do is you can go to settings, and then over here in settings, of course, we can go to the home screen settings, and then here we have hide apps on home and apps screens, and of course you should be able to see the list of apps that are hidden. Now, if you want them to stay hidden, but you wish to access them, what you can do is you can go to the apps option in settings. Then over here on this list, you can find the hidden app. So let's say I'm going to use the Perplexity app over here. And then at the bottom, we have the open option. So we can tap on open to immediately open the app. There we go. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can go to recent or background apps. So if the app was previously opened and you didn't close it via this menu over here, then you can still reopen it straight away. Not only that, if you go to the Play Store and over here you use the search option, then let's say we're gonna search for the app that is hidden. Let me actually fix that. There we go. And if you manage to find the app, if it is installed, then of course you just have the open button, so we can easily open it straight away. And there we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.